Well, unless you go across. See, you gotta go across. You gotta get them at a cross angle to the light, with darkness behind them, with the light shining on them. It's contrast.
We're here at the Cottonwood Park.
Cottonwood Trail.
Looks like it's snowing. There we go. It's a snowstorm of cottonwood seeds.
Hey, head down to the street behind you.
We have a snowbank of cottonwood. Just one of the many hazards of metal detecting in all conditions. We're here at a secret park. This is a different secret park. You'll never find this one either, so don't bother. Hey guys, we're out here at this Cottonwood Park. I just got a pretty good signal. I'm gonna pull out the plug and see if I get anything good. Hang on. I've already pulled the top up. Let's see, it wasn't very deep. The signal was like 3 inches or so. Oh, check this out. Let me zoom in. Can you see that? Oh, it looks, I hope it's not like a bottle cap. Oh, sweet, it's a quarter. $19.43. Awesome. This is my first silver quarter, and I can't tell you how long. From what I can tell through the camera, the detail's pretty good. There we go. So, and look at that. It's only like 1.5 inches, 2 inches at that. Pretty cool. We'll keep you posted if we find anything better. I don't know where Tim is off to. He may be dozing against a tree again somewhere.